Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Windows 11 PIN login. So if we set PIN login on your Windows 11 and now you want to remove it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove Windows 11 PIN login, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, select settings. Now on the Windows settings page, locate and click on account. Once you selected account, hang on the account page, scroll down, click on sign in options. Now once you selected sign in option, scroll down to PIN where you see Windows Hello, then click on that. Now to remove your Windows 11 PIN login, locate remove this sign in option and click remove. Then hang on. Once you click on the remove button, you should say, are you sure you want to remove your PIN? Having the PIN make it easier to sign into Windows, make payment and connect to apps and services. If you're using face or fingerprint recognition, they will stop working if you remove your PIN. Then go ahead and click on remove. Then hang on. Then you'll be prompted to verify your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password and click on OK. Then once your account password has been confirmed, then you should see your PIN removed. So that's all you need to do to remove Windows 11 login PIN. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.